is Botox. Why it's worth it. Looking for a non-invasive way to smooth wrinkles? Let's talk about Botox, one of the most popular cosmetic treatments out there. Botox is a purified protein that relaxes the muscles beneath your skin. Over time, repeated facial movements, like smiling or frowning, can cause wrinkles to form. By temporarily reducing muscle activity, Botox softens these lines, giving your face a smoother, refreshed look. The best part? Botox is quick, with treatments often done in under 30 minutes, and there's no downtime. Many people see noticeable results in just a few days, and the effects can last up to 3 to 4 months. It's not just about aesthetics, though. Botox is also used to treat migraines, excessive sweating, and even conditions like erectile dysfunction, and more. Curious if Botox is right for you? Book a complimentary consultation call today and discover how this safe, effective treatment can work for you.